In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video to your Insta stories, which is longer than 15 seconds long. So basically, as you can see now, I can easily add 1 minute video in my Insta story. So how can you do the same? Basically, all you need is just to check one parameter, which is really important. So as you can see now, I'm on the iPhone, but it also works for the Android. So it doesn't matter what phone do you have. So all you need is just to go to your Play Market or App Store, as I do. So after that, all you need is just to input in the search bar just Instagram, and after that go to the Instagram page. And as you can see now, I have the option to update my Instagram, update it to the latest version. So basically, this is the key. How can we open this function? So now we just need to wait for a little until it will be updated. So if you don't have this function to add videos which is higher than 15 seconds to your Insta story without cutting or something like this, all you need is just to update the phone, update the app, and after that everything will be okay. So let's try once more, wait for a little to upload the Instagram, and let's try to do this now. So as you can see now, after updating, we still can add, but if you didn't have this function, all you need is just to update your app. Basically, this function maybe will not be still available. It's because maybe you are in a region somewhere or something like this, so all you need is just to wait for a little. I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.